Yesterday, in episode 28, the US shut NVIDIA's backdoor to China. In this episode, you'll understand why one company's chip is worth controlling at the federal level and why every frontier AI lab is locked to NVIDIA. First, what a GPU is: graphics processing unit originally designed for video games to render millions of pixels in parallel, each frame 60 times a second. The key contrast: a CPU, your laptop's brain, has roughly 16 fast cores designed for sequential logic. A modern GPU has tens of thousands of smaller cores designed for massive parallelism. Why this matters for AI: training a neural network is essentially multiplying enormous matrices of numbers together. Each cell in the output can be computed independently from every other cell, that is, embarrassingly parallel, the exact thing a GPU is built for. The software moat, CUDA, NVIDIA's parallel computing platform. They have been investing since 2007, 18 years of libraries, compilers, tooling, researcher familiarity to use NVIDIA hardware. You don't write assembly, you write Python with CUDA underneath. Why competitors struggle: AMD makes powerful chips, so does Google with TPUs. But every paper, every framework, every model release targets CUDA. Switching costs are massive. The hardware is one piece. The software ecosystem is the lock-in. Blackwell, the current frontier. Each chip pairs a massive GPU with high bandwidth memory called HBM that sits stacked right next to it so data doesn't travel across the chip to reach memory, latency drops, throughput climbs. NVLink, the fabric that ties hundreds of thousands of Blackwell chips into one logical computer. Without this, you have a pile of chips. With it, you have a supercomputer like Colossus. Why scarcity? TSMC manufactures the chips in Taiwan, 3 nanometer node. Production is rate limited. Every Blackwell that ships was ordered months in advance. Hyperscalers buy entire production runs years ahead. And here is the answer to yesterday's question: why one company's chip is regulated by the federal government. Because compute is power. The country that controls where Blackwell chips go controls who can train the next frontier model. NVIDIA is no longer a chip company, it is a diplomatic instrument. From zero, one concept unpacked from scratch. Subscribe for the next one.